Hi, my name's Mike Meyer, and I'm a licensed counselor here in the Eugene, Oregon area. And thanks for coming by for a tapping experience. And I'd like to show you a tapping for anxiety template. And if anxiety is what you're going through, I'm going to show you how to do this top to bottom. Identifying the problem of anxiety requires an opposite. Even though I'm going through anxiety, I'm able to calm. Tapping the knuckle, medium strength. It's a problem statement and it's an affirmation. Taking those opposite statements and going to town with them. With alternating statements, I'm having anxiety. I'm able to calm. I'm having some anxiety. I am able to calm. I'm having anxiety. I'm able to calm. I'm having anxiety. I'm able to calm. Sift, settle.